So it will be CC name. And let me do this color. Yeah. So here is what your population. And here is how you will get it. That's how a hash map is used. 3 steps. Declare it, populate it and call it. Calling will be based on whatever from the input file or from your input stuff. You need to know the ID for this column. So each one after the splitting, you will have a variable props. You pass that as the key and get the value. And let's try that right away. Where is the one that we were using? I think this one no. Close that. Let me see. Yeah. Tests, incessant test. Or just remove, you lose automatically to memory. You. Right. This was a 1int test log. Right, yesterday we did this one. Okay. Here suppose we have what was our input in the right step. We have cost center. Yeah, we have that. Now let's see this. Let me create customer for quick one. Yeah, test cost center is the name. Web service enabled and then cost center. Okay, wait, quick name. Here we have the website. Okay, done. This is the name. Yeah, and I will copy that and I will put it in my one of the. So this is the one. Yeah, Office of CEO. And then there is another one, which is SEC reporting. Yeah, now after that is the splitter stuff, but that's fine. Now what I will do is I will first do local out another one here and I will say, call hashmap OK, because hashmap is something which we have to populate first. Right before calling the hashmap we have populated. Right. So splitter is something where you're splitting the file. Yeah. Now this is where this thing will come into picture. CSV to XML and you are having it. Message copy. Put it here. Message output will be a variable. Say file saved right in splitter. And here we have another async. So what I'm doing is I am making sure that in the splitter what will go is my message, which is from the CSV to XML. But I am now making it as a message which is file and connected here. There will be another sim lane which will come here and a local in and I will say hashmap, yeah, and after that will be an async and it's mandatory. Whenever you're doing this hashmap, make sure that our logging is there. Make it vertical, put the message finish. This will be a critical one, because if there is an error in hashmap, error while population hashmap. Yeah. Contentra message. Now, let's do that. Okay. This one is not connected to this one and it has to be connected to a local hash map. Yeah, so we go here. Intest log is the integration name. Next finish. Save. And this cross should go away now. Yeah. And declaration in workspace. It's coming. Now tell me what was the first step. So first step is to declare. So we are done. We will do it first, in the beginning. Right. Okay. Let me put another one. Which will be say props is equal to, and let's say this is CC hash map. Okay. Windows are not bad. It's a good practice to store your store the variable. Okay, now what was the syntax? You can go. Props is new Javatil, right? So new Javatil.